feels like my life has shrunk over the past year. Like a woolen pullover that was washed too hot. It's a tiny life, actually, pocket size. I live in a tiny house with very little stuff. I'm quite minimal. The world is big. And the world I cannot understand, it's messy and fast. So I prefer to stay home. I don't really like going places. Sometimes I do go out for a run, but never too far.
This is what I would wear on our first date. This is what I would wear when we go to the movies and we run into your ex.
Just tell me the truth.
About what?
Did you ever love me?
I don't know!
Just tell me the truth!
About what?
Did you ever love me?
I don't know!
Just tell me the truth!
About what?
Did you ever love me?
I don't know!
Tell me the truth!
About what?
Did you ever? You define your own value, you define your own worth, you define what you are because you have your own identity. You are beautiful, you are amazing, you are your own fucking person. Now I need you to get up and I need you to take that life that was given to you and don't fucking ever take it for granted. I love you.
Okay.
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 Perhaps okay will be our